Assalamualaikum and good to see you. We are glad to present as a presenter. My name is Wani with two of my friends Atiqah and Nurina from D3B. Going to present of our product called as Spirit CK939 Fiber Diagnostic Otoscope with metal handle. Our content contains introduction, the details on the selected medical equipment, the detail on operating cost for 5 years, real or estimated, discussion, conclusion and references. Otoscope. An otoscope is a device that uses light to visualize and examine the condition of the ear canal and eardrum. It is used by doctors to screen for illness during routine checkup and examine ear symptoms. Examining the ear can reveal the source of symptoms such as earache, ear fullness, and hearing loss. After that, I will talk about the detail on the selected medical equipment. The name of the medical equipment is Spirit CK939 Fiber Diagnostic Otoscope with metal handle. The brand and model for medical equipment is, the brand is from Spirit and the model is SKU KSPI_CK939. While the name of manufacturer from Kinsmedic Sendirian Berhad. The country of origin, it is originally from Malaysia. The authorized dealer in Malaysia is Kinsmedic Sendirian Berhad, while the location of medical equipment installed in College Kemahiran Tinggi Mara Ledang. Next, I will pass it to Atiqah as a presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Atiqah Wani. Binti Resma Disma. I'm going to go over the specific of the acquisition expenses. First and foremost, the cost of the fundamental equipment will be is the Spirit CK939 Fiber Diagnostic Otoscope, which costs RM677. Next is the pricing of optional features, accessories. This is divided into two parts. And one of those is pediatrics ear speculum, which costs RM87.73, as well as the Spirit Otoscope lamp RM54.61. Furthermore, the installation fee for the device is RM7.65 for a Panasonic battery AAA. Finally, there is no delivery charge for the equipment.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurina binti Muhammad Sofian. I would like to discuss about the operating cost of the Spirit CK939 Diagnostic Otoscope here. Bills for preventive maintenance, troubleshooting, breakdown maintenance, accessory or spare parts, utility expenditures, and lastly, other connected costs are all covered. First, consider preventive maintenance expenditures. Dynarex alcohol prep pads are mentioned here. The cost per bundle is simply RM170.74. Each bundle contains 200 pads. The entire running cost for 5 years are RM43.70, which equates to 100 alcohol prep pads. The following troubleshooting steps I said that troubleshooting is free since the equipment does not have an issue with it. Then calculate maintenance expenses. If the equipment fails to function properly, we must replace it or get new equipment. It's because if it breaks down, we will have to replace it. Then there are accessories and spare components. All accessories and replacement components cost a total of 1,151 ringgit and 35 cents. These include a speculum and an otoscope light. Then there are utility costs. Our utility bills are merely 7,159 ringgit and 65 cents without insurance, and 2,890 ringgit and 10 cents with it. Doctor visits, amoxicillin, and nutribiotics are examples of them. Last but not least, we have additional charges. The battery is mentioned here, and the pricing for 5 years is 459 ringgit only. In 5 package, we can acquire 240 batteries. That's all from me, and thank you.
Next, for the discussion, the opinion on cost-effective with arguments. The price of the replacement parts, in our opinion, is the most cost-effective. For example, the air speculum only costs 31 ringgit, and the parts we require are easily accessible via the internet, via sites such as eBay, Shopee, Lazada, and others. The opinion on maintenance, whether to do it in-house or outsource with argument. In my opinion, the maintenance is easier to perform in-house because it is not as difficult, because we can replace the replacement parts ourselves or at home. Thus, there is no charges because people can do for themselves. They do not need to call vendor.
The task was effectively finished, and this project brought us through several stages of struggle and provided us with a greater grasp of the background of the equipment we choose. The spirit CK 939 fiber diagnostic